Here's how to use Ultralink in Infinix in just 2 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to connect compatible phones and make calls without needing mobile signal or internet access. First, open the Settings app on your Infinix phone. This is where you see the main menu with options like Network, Bluetooth, and SIM controls. Once inside, you scroll carefully until you find SIM and Network or a similar section depending on your device layout. Tap it to enter the connection settings page where Ultralink options are stored. Next, tap SIM and Network settings and look for Ultralink in the list. Then select Ultralink to open its setup screen where you will see a toggle switch and permission prompts. After that, turn on Ultralink and allow all requested permissions such as Bluetooth, nearby devices, and microphone access when pop-ups appear on your screen. Now, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both Infinix phones and keep them close together. You will see the status icons turn on at the top of the screen and nearby device detection starting automatically. Once the second phone appears on the list, tap it to begin pairing and wait for the connection confirmation message to appear. One common issue is devices not detecting each other, which usually happens when Bluetooth or location permissions are not enabled. If you don't see this option, there's another way. First, update system software from settings and restart both phones. Then turn Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off and on again and move the devices closer together. If Ultralink is still unavailable, use standard internet calling apps as a fallback method. Once everything is set, you will see a connected calling screen that lets you communicate between Infinix phones without any SIM signal or internet. Following these simple steps makes using Ultralink quick and easy.